Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be doing a broke girl hairstyle with some old crochet hair I had lying around in my garage. It's the Tiana Passion Twist hair in 14 inches from last year, the fall of last year. I remember I had hair in 14 inches in the color T1B30. I'll be reusing the hair today, and what I'll be doing differently is like trying to unravel the twist, like, you know, doing like a twist out. I don't really know what this is gonna look like, but let me just see, because well, it's not costing me anything. So, and sometimes you just that broke and you just gotta do something. So keep watching the video as I get started, and please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you. And again, this is the hair, the Tiana Passion Twist crochet hair from last year in the color T1B30 and 14 inches. You know, usually when I do crochet braids with pre-twisted hair, I like to take them out all, because one thing is this: you never know when you'll be so broke and you need to get your hair done at a different time, and then you might be like, okay, that hair I can just bring it out and reuse it. That's one thing. Another thing is that you might actually like your style so much and be like, wait a minute, this hair still looks decent now, why should I just throw it away? Because these things, they tend to be pricey. So I just take it out as against cutting it. Like now the hair has been washed. I mean, I just took it out. I tossed the hair in a box, and it was in my garage for the longest time, and now that I'm ready to use it, I just brought it out, washed it, and soaked it ACV, made it clean, and then it's clean, it's fresh, and so it can go on my head again. So I'll just be reusing the hair. Like, you never know, save yourself some coins. Like, there are times when you just never know. So what I'll be doing differently this time is just that I'm going to install the earring, and I'm going to be unraveling, it's going to be like a twist out kind of thing. So let's just see how this goes. So this is what I'll be doing. Latch hook goes in, pull out, and secure. Then open it up. Now this is not going to be the easiest twist out, believe me, because passion twists are sort of like crinkled. So this is going to take some time, but I'm prepared. I have all the time in the world today, so it's going to take a while, but I'll do it. Just unravel it, and that's that. See, this is going to be really cute when I'm done. So the next one goes in. Another thing that one can actually do for this is you could actually unravel the twist before you install, but I don't want to do that. I'm just going to do it one at a time after installing on my head. So take it apart, and open. Take it in, close, latch it. Now that's locked. Open. Some will unravel easy, some will not. See how it's looking already? So let me just move on to the side and start from the sides, because that's really where I start my crochets from. Not always the middle. Just and so this is where I am now. I can easily say I have about half of my hair done. See how it's looking? Turn around. Yep, looking super cute, but kind of heavy. Yeah, it's kind of not like it's heavy, but because all of the hair is like tilting in one direction, it's like I have like a bag of stuff on this side of my head. So I'm just gonna continue now and move on to the other side of my head. So keep watching. Remember how I'm doing it. Pick up the hair, crochet in, and because this is a style that we are unraveling, You can also afford to really space out, because it's gonna get really big if you just jam all of the air in and you don't space it out nicely. So you have to put that in consideration. Remember to space it out nicely, unless you want it really, really dense though. So unravel. Next one goes in. So go there, lock it there, and unravel. And here it is now, my $0 broke girl crochet hairstyle. What did it cost me? Not much, just some old crochet hair, cornrows from a previous crochet install, and a bit of a workout on my part, because pulling the hair apart was a thug of war and it was really like a workout. 1 hour 30 minutes later, I'm done. I can't believe that I shoved all of the hair in my head, but it's okay. Big hair don't care. So here it is again. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed already. Thank you.